We're excited to announce our new 20-liter buckets of W3 oil. These are great if you have big barns or you're managing multiple horses, as one bucket is equivalent to 4 boxes of W3 oil. So to start using your bucket, start by inserting the straw into the pump. And you can push down firmly on the top of the pump to unlock it. Next, remove the plastic lid by pulling up on the tabs and unscrewing it. Inside is a plastic tab, just pull it firmly on that. Now you're ready to put your pump into your bucket. So just screw it on tightly and you're ready to go. Each pump provides 1 ounce of W3 oil, and you can hold on to this plastic lid in case you want to transport the oil and remove the pump.
W3 oil is extra fortified with DHA, an omega-3 fatty acid. Research suggests that horses supplemented with DHA may experience improved skin and coat quality, joint health, and cardiovascular function. As a calorie-dense source of cool energy, W3 oil helps provide additional calories without causing spikes in blood glucose or insulin levels, making it an excellent choice for maintaining a healthy metabolism in your horse. W3 oil also contains high levels of natural vitamin E, a potent antioxidant that may help support the body's response to oxidative stress from strenuous exercise.